Sao Paulo. Good morning, my Benzinga family. How's everybody doing this morning? We are back in business. A little quiet day. We got some things we're watching. Oil is down. What is it down? $6 now. We got a bid down at 62.60. Could be a spot to be aggressive if we spike down $6 from here. So we're keeping our eyes on that. Stock of the day is PTGX. Drug stock. They got FDA approval for something. We're going to keep our eyes on that. See if it sets up for a trend there. Get spiked up, spiked down. Ren short at $26. Yeah, I think I'd be short. Well, 27.64 is an actual spot, Lou. So that's a good spot. Overall market today seems fine. We have a tiny little feeler position in VIXI shorting the market, but I think the market probably goes higher from here for a little bit. So nothing really. Our swing trades, SoFi we still got. I like the way that chart's looking. SDC we sold most of. We had that at 565. I think we sold most of it close to $7. We got a tiny little bit left, but not much. That's really it for our swing-a-dingers that we came in with today. And BABA, China's up a lot. We're keeping our eyes on BABA, up $6. See if it stretches out. We have a daily resistance level up at 173. So we're keeping an eye on that. Earnings start this week, which is good. I think the banks start on Wednesday or Thursday, and then next week we really start getting into it, which is really good. Good morning, Mr. Mike. Usually in earnings season, we do very well, especially with our trend trades, because stocks that tend to have good earnings stay good and bad earnings stay bad. So we get a lot of trend trades set up during earnings week. Boeing 224.86, that's less than $1. A little close for me, Jim. Again, be patient on the opening. We had a really good week last week. We didn't rush into anything. As usual, we never rush into anything. Let them set up. Myrna, always got our eyes on it. 288 would be a spot in Myrna. We got a market. We got an order down there. You know, Myrna, the stock just looks so bad. Any continuation, I think we get to this maybe 260 level. That's our daily level in Myrna. So it's kind of quiet morning. Morning, Mohammed. Bitcoin, let's take a look. Bitcoin looks great. I mean, I don't see how it doesn't make new highs, right? Bitcoin looking really good. Ones that are lagging, though, Mara. Well, Mara's up a little bit today, 40, 50. I like to short these things because they don't go up as much as Bitcoin does. And then when Bitcoin goes down, they really go down. So keep our eyes on them. UPST, 309.95. That's a little early for that. We've ate. PTGX getting a little smack-a-dacka. We said it would be a better short, especially when it broke that 34 level, but it's kind of just hanging, not doing anything right now. Vate. Myrna sitting in the middle of everything. What do you sell on Friday, Mohammed? Yeah, that's good on a firm. SQ, give me levels. Kind of just sitting there right now, not doing anything. AMD, dead flat, not doing anything. Boyle. I'll see if Boyle comes in. Bros. Wow, yeah, Bros would have been a good short at 45.75, but it's very early. Let it set up. Let it set up. CCXI. Lou loves short in CCXI. Oh, the buy side, 35.50. All right, you can do that small. It's down $3. Guys, let me know if we're still good in the firm. Somebody keep an eye on it. If we still like it. Going too slow. We just missed the firm. Ah, all right. Can it? We missed it by 4 cents, guys. It gave a dollar trade in a firm. $1.50. Come on. Look at that, guys. 139.12. We missed it by 5 cents. Gave a quick dollar. Yeah, we like SoFi. I guess we can cancel the short in the firm for now. Baba coming in. All right, what do we like? Give me something in Baba, guys. I mean, we love 165.10, but there's got to be something closer to that, I'm sure. Oil's hanging at 67. Yeah, you cheated, you got a quick dollar. I don't see anything in Baba right here. UPST. That would have been good, but we spiked up. Yes, Kurt always says he cheats by 15 cents. He posted it up there last week. 13 cents. UPST, we want to put it out 305.10 in case we get a smacker here. Let's do it. Pivot point. Give it some room. If we get there. Oil, 68, bouncing. Myrna, we're getting near that level. Cancel that. Cancel Baba short. Mara. Yeah, Mara getting a little leggy poo-poos. All right. Look, as long as Bitcoin keeps going up, this is setting up for a trend trade. I love the short in Mara if we get near 43 to put that out. That would be really stretched out. 43.10. Just in case. Maybe a trend trade in that one. Keep your eyes on UPST. Let me know if we're okay. Spiders. Or the E-minis. No. 43.78. All right. I got 438 and change. SI, we killed it in SI for the swing trade, Mike. Yeah, BTBT setting up for a better buy, though. Navy shorted at 13. Affirm 136.71. Let's do it. I like it. 136.71 Affirm. If it holds there, we can be a little aggressive, too. I'll go 75. 136.75. Yeah, we had a good swing trade in SI. We were short at $166, and it went down like $10 the next day. So we did good in that one. Affirm bounced, of course. Bounced $2. It didn't just bounce. Jeez Louise. All right. Patience, guys and girls. Patience. Bros. I think Bros would have been good if we spiked right up to 45.75, but it's setting up for a better buy, Bros, right? We want to buy Bros on a pullback. It's a strong stop. We want to buy Bros. I wouldn't short it now. My favorite stock in the world, Sava. Give me levels. Give me levels. Obviously, 45.20. That just got far from moving average, Sava. Give me something. Give me something in Sava, Robert, or somebody else. Shorting GameStop at 178. Yeah, that's a pivot point. Again, it would have been great if we got right there. Yes. You guys are learning the technical analysis. I love it. The video, maybe 209.50 is a short. I would look at that. All right, we're in Affirm, 136.75. Give it like 75 cents. Put out something to sell at 137.20. Firm 137.20. 137.40. Minute here. UPSG just missed. All right. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We need a bounce here in the firm quickly. Otherwise, I don't like it. Oracle all-time highs. All right. The firm's got to get above our level, 137.20, guys. Walmart. I don't see it. All right, going to try to keep a firm close to break even now. We really need it to pop up here. If it gets above 137.20, we're getting a 137.40, but we need the bop right now. There we go. Sold some at 137.20. Let's try to keep a break even stop now. Out of a firm, guys. Out of a firm. Break even stop. Out, 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 out. Keep the tight stops. That's why we do what we do. Of course, I missed the stop, but you guys got it. SoFi is pumping. Yeah, we made 50 cents on a firm. We got out break even. It's good. I'm trying to get out break even right now. Come on, you couldn't get me out? You guys are faster than me. UPST, all right, cancel it. All right. Flat affirm. Oh, I got short affirm. How the hell did I get short? Come on, really? I had a double order in affirm. That's why. All right. All right, we made a couple of bucks in the firm, in and out. Oracle, GRNC. What's the next level in the firm, guys? 15-minute. Let's look. 133.10. Ooh, I really like that, guys. Yes. Putting out a full order out there. Yes. All right, so we got 50 cents. We broke even. It's fine. ENPH, ENTB, Tilray. Is it time to buy BABA here? No, but BABA, 165.20, right, guys? BABA, 200 EMA. Yes, full trade in BABA. 165.20. Eaten by 5 cents. I really thought we'd get that 137.40 in a firm. We didn't miss it by much, right? Mara. All right, Mara putting the short back out. I like that. 43.10 Mara. Full trade. Full trade. In fact, I'm putting 200 shares out there. That's how much I like it. If we get that aggressive. Market is turning green. What else is new? Was it down? Why are my things not updating here? That's weird. Mara, we don't have to have more than a 30-cent stop. That's it. Keep it tight. Yeah, Baba bouncing a little. The firm bouncing a little. Patience, guys. Patience. It is what is right. It is what it is right now. I love this guy. None of my Vixie and stuff is updating. Why? Why? Yeah, we only need a 30-cent stop in Mara. We ain't getting it anyway, guys. Don't worry about it. It ain't happening. Yeah, it ain't happening. Can't we all be bros? Aren't we all bros? Yeah, bros is a better buy on a pullback, speaking of bros. PTGX, guys, that was nothing but a short when we broke those levels, right? We're down $2 now. Whack. Myrna off to the races. Short and Myrna, guys. What do we got? 314.80. I like that. All right, cancel Mara. That ain't happening. Myrna good short up around 315, guys. No, Mara's not getting 43. DKNG I can look at for you guys. Yes, absolutely. I think Baba bounced too. I'm sitting in the middle. Firm. I like it. I like it. I like it. Give a firm $1. Coin should be moving with Bitcoin, right? Yeah. Bitcoin make new highs this week? Very possible. 100,000 Bitcoin. Here it comes. Whoop, whoop. All right, guys and gals. I hate to say it. We're slowing down already. Myrna, sell short on pivot point. Yes. I ain't going to get that. Let's put it out. SoFi calls and Donkey Kong put credit. All right, let me look at Donkey Kong. I'll look at Donkey Kong for you guys. 315, Myrna, if we spike up. Oh, I love you, SoFi. Our biggest holding is SoFi, guys. You guys know that from $14. It's a beautiful thing. I think, over time, the stock hits $24, $25. But we trade it. Nothing goes up in a straight line. Bought Baba calls 2 weeks ago, sold this morning for $80,000 profit. Now, that's very happy for you, Abdul. Nice job. But we don't talk about in our room any trades that we can't all get in. But I love it. Good for you, man. Tesla 800. Why not? 805 calls for this week are probably good in Tesla. Another stock that looks really good. Myrna we're not getting, guys and gals. Might be a better buy than sell, Myrna. Baba we're not getting. And a firm we're not getting. We'll leave a firm for a couple minutes. CCXI looking good on the trender. All right, maybe you buy it out of a breakout here too. It is basing, right? CCXI. It hasn't been 30 minutes, but above 40.80 could be good in CCXI. 39 is good, Lou. Yes, market's getting strong here. I like Myrna Fib, yes. All right, guys, VXX. Again, I don't really have a position here, but I'm adding a tiny bit at 24.22. Again, no position yet. I'm going to have 20 shares if we get to 24.20. I'll let you know when it's time to jump in with both hands. I have no idea if SoFi is going to 30. Cancel SoFi, guys. Baba bounce, can. No good in Myrna. You guys don't like Myrna still? All right. Cancel Myrna for now. Baba bounce, AFRM. Bounce, cancel that for now. Coin getting close to fall from moving. SNDL is not something we'll ever trade, Tom. Penny stock. Coin. Let's see where we are. Nothing daily. This thing isn't even stretched. I mean, it's just starting to go, coin. Again, I'd rather be a better buyer in coin than a short seller. Myrna going out on the 9. That is 307.30. I like it in Myrna. 307.30. It's never going to happen, but we'll put it out just in case. 307.30. Chaka laka laka. AMD getting stretched. No, it's starting to get a little legs now, Noah. I mean, I don't like the thing either, but it's starting to get a little legs. AMD, again, all these things we're looking at, guys, are better buys than sells. And even 106.70 in AMD is only a buck away from the moving average. Everything we're looking at looks like they're in nice uptrends. So I'd rather be long than short. Bros on a pullback. Yeah, I mean, Bros 44.90 and 44.40 are the trends. So we got to like that, putting it out. I mean, Bros could hold the VWAP here, but let's go early trend 44.90. I like it. And then 44.40. Good in Bros. The sundial, the only reason I don't look at it is because it's a really cheap stock. Aha, there's KK. Look, asking about NEO. I got nothing in NEO. Looks all right if it stays above 35. Maybe room to 38, but the stock has just been lagging so badly. DKNG. Man, this has been a dog for a while too, right? DKNG. I mean, it's such a bad downtrend. You know, above 50, maybe Donkey Kong, but again, the stock looks ugly on the daily chart. Ugly. Apparently not, Kurt. Shack Attack. I got nothing. No volume. It's in a downtrend on the daily chart. Look, the reason we do so well in the room, guys, and the reason you're going to learn so much from the course is we're patient. That's it. We had one trade today. Last week, I think we had 23 trades and made money on 20 of them. We're not going to rush anything. This is what trading is. Nah, Brian, it's 80 cents away from the closest moving average. Negative. Not yet. This game is all about patience and discipline. And look, guys, you know, we're getting paid very nicely on our SoFi swing. You got to add those things in too, right? I want to show you guys what we did in SI last week. Crowd just coming up to a little resistance level, but it's not far from moving average, Freshie. We want to buy all these things on pullbacks, but, well, I'll tell you what. If you do like DKNG long term, you know, your stop is 48.50. That's as long as I would give it, $1, which maybe isn't bad risk reward. We have a dollar stop. It's trying to stay above the weekly. So that's how I would play it if I was going to do it. CCXI is going without you. It certainly is. We need a pullback. Is that shortable? You guys got 40 calls. Nice. In CCXI, a bunch of the room. Got 40 calls in CCXI. Cole, we don't care unless you posted it first. Thank you very much. No ADRSI and CCXI, but we'll watch. PTGX just ripped up. Holy mackerel. What is that? Oh, okay, guys. You forgot to exit? Thank God you made money then. PTGX, is it shortable? I think it still is. Well, that's very lucky then. Thank God. I don't know if this is shortable. Let me see. Yeah, PTGX is shortable, guys. 34. I think if we get around 38, we start looking for off a moving average in PTGX. 38, guys. Put a little marker. Spread is good in this, so we can get a far from moving average for shizzle. Marker at 38. Myrna. Yes, buy Myrna on a pullback. I don't know. Ken, you hear you got a fib in Myrna? To grab it a little sooner, maybe? Bros is hanging. We'll leave Myrna where it is for the moment. CLSK, let's take a peek. Yeah, that looks okay, CLSK. I like it, happy. Stays above 1440. That looks good for the rest of the day. I likey. Run. Yes, run is a trend trade. Myrna 310.34. Well, that ship has sailed for the moment. All right, so we got what? I mean, we might as well just come up to 307.70, right? 307.70 Myrna. 307.71. We'll cheat by 13 cents. 308. All right, we'll go 308. Close enough. We want to buy some Myrna. 308. Got it. We got 308 and 307.60. Both the same thing. Works for me. FedEx, I'll show you the swing trade in FedEx, guys. That was 217. A bunch of people in the room got in, and FedEx made $10 the same day off the weekly trend. That was here early last week, 217. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Roku. Again, all these that we're looking at, Privé, Roku, Myrna, they're all trend trades. They all look like buys. Kelvin, you're done for the day already. Very nice. To the green side, I hope. Same thing with NVIDIA, guys. Uptrend. Buy a pullback to the 9 or the 15. Every stock we're looking at, to me, they're in nowhere's land. I know something's not updating in my VXX. I don't know why. I think these are all stuck for some reason. It's weird. It's something with my interactive brokers. Fubo. Again, guys, we don't have a position yet. I'm not ready. I think the market's going higher from here. AFRM. Dead. I want him dead. PTGX. This is a risky proposition on the trend now. PTDX with 34.10 is a little spot if you trust that thing. I don't know if I do. I don't know if I do. Where are we short? 35.44. That little marker. make 70 cents on that. Are we slowing down already, guys and girls? Wow. 9:56, and we're slowing down. It happens. Guys, remind me, my Benzinga peeps, before we get out of here today, that I'm going to invite everybody into the room for the rest of the week. Someone remind me. I will let everybody that's watching on Benzinga come in and hang out with us for the next 5 days and trade with us and ask any questions that you have. Yeah, what do we like? CXII, 39.50. That's a trend. Let's do it. Yes, coin is in a nice uptrend. CCXI 39.50. Trender. Shiba Inu. I'll tell you what. I'll give you my take on Shiba, and all these other things. Cancel Myrna. Okay. I hope everybody makes a fortune on those. I really do. Because I have no dog in the fight. I don't care either way. But I wish people would shut the F up talking about it. All right? Just shut up. Trade it. Take your profits. I don't need to see 1,000 videos on TikTok from 800 different people about diamond hands and all that other stuff. Just take your money. Trade. Take your money. And that's what I'd be doing with it. Trading it. But it's just ridiculous. How many people want to talk about that all day long? I can't deal with it. All right, we don't like Myrna anymore, he said at 308. Why don't we like Myrna at 308? You like 306.60 better? It's just, and again, I want everybody to do well. Well, if we don't like Myrna at 308, we're putting in 306.60. That is the trend. One of my pet peeves is just don't talk. Just do your things. Put the money in the bank. You don't have to talk about it. All right? I don't like anybody in my room talking about money. Just trade. That's right. Steve Miller would say it. Take the money and run. That's it. Go on, take the money and run. But I'm tired of hearing that all day. I know. Well, we didn't like the Myrna on the 9. You didn't like it on the pivot point. Might as well be patient now. We'll wait. All right, 306.50. Cheating by 10 cents. I don't think we're going to get that either. Well, look, if there's one thing I've learned with my 35 years of doing this, guys and girls, is calm as a bitch. All right? Just keep quiet. Do your thing. CEI. Well, the place to buy that was $1.20. I don't know. If you like CEI, do it with options. You know, Trent, the options are cheap. This way you don't risk them going out of business. Do it with options. Look, at least you know your downside. Myrna was $1 off the 9. You guys didn't like it. No, it was $1 off the VWAP. It never got to the 9. VWAP, not the 9. Softy. Again, same thing we're looking at in all these stocks. Softy is a buy. It's in a trend trade, going up. ISWH, never heard of it. Nope. That's a lottery ticket. ISWH, Diaz, if you like it. You buy some, you put it away, you forget about it. SNPS, another one that looks good. It's not a trade here. It's right in the middle of everything, but it looks good. CCXI. All right, where we bidding? 39.50. Lou was still good, 39.50. All right, good. 39.50, and then we got what? No, 39.50 is the spot. And we got 38.80 below that. All right, let's give it a minute at 39.50. Didi, that's a blast from the past. Didi. Buy all you can, Didi, at $18 per Jim Cramer. Thanks for looking into our stock to shout out in chats. Not a problem, Kyle. That's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for. I'd like to get a few more trades. We haven't, but that happens. Again, we're not going to force anything on here. If we get an 80 RSI and PTGX, guys, we start looking for off a moving average. It is shortable. I'm just sitting here right now. I'm going to put out that 38 marker again. At least we'll start looking if we get up there. Yes. Not the test net. Keep your eyes on CCXI. Let us know if we're still good, Lou. Myrna. 307 is a 15-minute. Yeah, I mean, 306.85 is the trend, so I like it. It just bounced off the 9, which you guys talked us out of at 308. I think a couple of people left 308 out there. There you go. Joseph got 75 cents off 308. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Nice. All right, a couple of guys got Myrna for 50 cents. Yeah, it came close, though, a couple of times, JJ. Robert, you did it and sold it. Good. I know, it hit it to the penny. So here's the trade in Myrna, guys. That's what we call a trend trade, bouncing off the 9 EMA. 308 was the level. It exactly hit 308 and gave you a dollar trade in about 35 seconds. There's your trade. A bunch of people in the room got it. Good job, guys. David, I'm down 25 grand year to date. Trading, Buck? Trading you down 25K? Tesla. I wonder if Baba will ever reach 300 again. It probably will. Maybe years from now, but it's a great company. I don't think they're going anywhere. Well, we mentioned Tesla buying some calls early this morning. Stock looks like it wants to go higher. Cancel Myrna. We ain't getting that. We're not getting Bros. PTGX. I got my marker. Buck, you got to learn how to do it the right way. That's the bottom line. Okay. Yeah, Kurt was down 90. Guy in my room, just so you know, guys, was down $90,000 before he got to us. He's made $30,000 back. That's a beautiful thing. And it might take a long time to get the rest back, but you got to stop losing before you start making. Guys, I'll give you the link to my room before we're done. Come in, hang out this week. I'll answer questions that you guys have. You just got to learn the technical analysis. And then, of course, more importantly, you have to learn the money management part of this. That's it. Stop losing money first, Buck. Buck, come into our room today. We'll talk to you. Okay? Anybody who's losing money like that, come into the room. We'll talk to you guys today. We'll help you out. I promise you that. SoFi is a wonderful stock. Well, listen, SoFi was a wonderful stock at $14. Now, it's a good stock. Hopefully going higher. Going full on the Myrna pivot point and 200 EMA. That is what? 306, guys? Done. Myrna, we're going to buy 306 full trade. I'm with you. I'm putting 100 shares out, so you know that's good. Anybody can make money on a trade, okay? Gaming, but very hard to make money consistently without a plan and without the proper money management. I like Baba down there. Yes, 165.30. Well, that's the thing, Kyle. It's not how much money you make, it's how much money you keep. I preach that every day, all day long in the trading room. Look, more of this is between your ears than it is anywhere else. Okay? Our course, which we'll talk about before we get out of here, for $400 is the best investment you'll ever make if you want to learn the technical analysis of trading. Plus, I mentor you every Thursday night with the course included. You'll learn how to trade. If you want to come out, hang out in the room, even better. Can I come back to the room, Dave? I don't think so, KK. I don't think your style fits what we do, honestly. I'm just being honest with you. All right, there you go. Look, guys, I'm not telling you what we do is the greatest thing since sliced bread, but find something. You have to have some kind of plan. I will help Buck out easy. You know me. I take care of everybody. I will help him out. You got to have some kind of plan. I mean, if you don't, you got no chance of succeeding in this. Baba, 165.30. Yeah, I like Baba there, especially if we go fast. 165.30. Let's do it. Full trade. Want it on this pop down now. So everything that we're doing, my Benzinga people, okay, is all based on technical analysis. That's it. We don't guess. We wait. We're patient. We're disciplined. I'm not making a trade until my charts tell me to make a trade. And that's the name of that story. And that's how you have to be. Take the emotion out of this. Learn how to do it the proper way. And, of course, proper money management skills will get you there. PAGs. PAGs? What kind of volume is this doing? That's a big move up in PAGs. Let me check it out. Baba, yeah, give it like 60 cents, Baba. Just want to check the volume in PAGs and the spread. Yeah, I like PAGs at 34. You can have a nice tight stop in that, too. It's up $3 from the recent low. That works for me. And again, guys, we want speed, speed, speed. I'm looking at Baba. I want it to hit me fast. The faster it hits our levels, the better the chance is we're going to get a bounce from there. Yeah, we ain't getting Myrna, guys. Not happening. Canceling this VIXY, too. We're going to wait. I don't see any reason to run into VIXY with more. Let's hang out. SPY's coming down a little bit, but I think we're going higher. So I'm not going to buy any more VIXY. Let's just let it be for now. Baba bouncing, you son of a beeswax. Looking to reload. Clove and SDC. Yeah, SDC, I would wait, Mike, until we get a decent pullback. We're basically out of that. I have like an odd lot left. We made over $1 on a trade for a $5 stock. I'm happy with that. Yep, Myrna held the 9 for now. Look, I do this all day, every single day with all of my traders, guys. All day. That's what our trading room is about. Nobody who has ever been in my trading room that follows our rules has blown up a trading account. Nobody. Not one person if you followed our rules. Cancel Baba. We just don't have enough losing trades for that to ever happen. Good question. I think some will be around for a long time hurt and some won't be. You know, I have to look at it on an individual basis. And look, we're talking about trading. We're not talking about investing. We're talking about trading. It's a different animal. You want to talk investing? I'll give you advice about that too. But trading is just to put a couple of bucks in the bank every day. That's what trading's about. ACY, wasn't this up today? Yeah, look at ACY. This is one wackadoodle stock. Stock's down $12 from where it was this morning. ACY. Yeah, we canceled BABA. It's going too slow. ACY, guys, 49.30 would be a place to be all over this stock if we go in that direction. Keep your eyes on it. Right now, it's a bit of short, but keep your eyes on it. Well, that's the thing, trade money. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink, right? Yeah, Baba missed. It's going too slow now. So here's what we'll do, guys. It's just going too slow, and it had a little bounce. So I don't like it that much anymore. Look, if we would have spiked all the way down here, we'd be getting this little bounce, and we'd have our 50, 60-cent trade. Didn't get there. As a rule, if something gets close to one of our spots, doesn't hit it, and goes up, chances are, if it goes back down to that spot, it's going lower. I would love Roku if we got there. Not going to happen. Look, we're out of volume in this market already, right? Look how nice a trade Baba would have been, guys. All right, it got to 62. So we missed it by, whatever, 30 cents. But it would have made this same bounce. That would have been a nice dollar trade if we could have got there. Look, by using our technical analysis, everybody out there, it puts the odds in our favor of our trades working. Doesn't mean they're going to work every time. But, wow, GameStop, holy crap. We had a little short at 182.40 too, right? Look at that. So GameStop was not a short anywhere, 177, 178, no. We have a little resistance up at 182.50 in GameStop. You say wait, then why didn't you wait for Bob? Because it's not going to hit our level, right? Once I see something's not going to get to the price that we want, there's no point in leaving an order out there. It's just not, we wait for the next level. That's all. Saba. Double bottom 48.06. Yeah, that could work. It's been long enough. Did we just get the GameStop trade, guys? Or did it miss by a couple? Oh! Look at that. Got to 182.28 and went straight down a dollar. So 182.50 would have been a nice dollar trade. You son of a beeswax. Cryptomaniac out here looking for a permaban. Oh, that would have been a nice trade in GameStop. Quick in and out. It's got a 77 RSI too. That would have been perfect. Apple? No, we're not stretched. We're not even a dollar away. It's like, it's amazing. As soon as every expert came out last week and said the market was going to go down, all we've done is gone up. We're due for a correction. They're all full of crap. All right, where do we like ACY, guys? 49.50. This is a wackadoodle stock, so do it small. But that'll be $6 away from the moving average. A big spread. So, like I said, small at 49.50. I put my money where my mouth is. Crip. Again, I'm not putting anybody down. I want everybody to make money. But when you talk about the same thing 8,000 times, it just gets a little annoying. Again, I want everybody to make money. Bad job number, more money for printing loan. No, it shouldn't have been, but whatever. Here's the bottom line. Again, guys, all we can base our trades on is price action. Yeah, cancel ACY. Cancel that too. That's all we can base our trades on. My opinion on the market can change every 15 minutes. So this is talking about trading, right? It's trading. But we will ask crypto, since I am doing this hour and a half in the morning, if you refrain from putting up Shiba Inu again, because Nobody cares. Yeah, look at that. ECY has a $3 stock. So as a favor to me, wait till 2 o'clock when they have their show, and you can talk about crypto all you want. How about them apples? Myrna, what do we like, guys? We like 306.20, 305.20. Myrna, Berna, Bo, Berna. I love 305.20. Let's have that out just in case. I would rather you not take up my time that I'm sharing with the Benzinga people talking about Shiba Inu. So thank you. You're in on the 15, Jim? At 307.30, 50? All right. Keep her tight. I'm with you, Matty Ace. I don't see anything to do right now. JJ, if it gets back up to break even, take some off. It's not looking really good. GameStop. I would start looking at Fibonacci's and GameStop. It's very, very strong. Look how bad AMC is, though. Can't go up. Yeah, I mean, it's making a run, but net, this stock has not been good. This looks horrible. Excellent, Elver. Get out of here. AMC is not GameStop. They are not moving in the same direction. KK, you're down $14,000 since I am now down 14 below where I started with you. Well, you never really started with me, KK. You don't listen to anything that we tell you. So I don't think this business is for you, being honest. Yeah, Myrna, we could give $1. I don't know. I'd give it a little more than that. GameStop 180, 145. All right, I like the buy in GameStop. Much better. 180, 145. 100%. Give Myrna another couple of minutes there. What's AFRM doing? Nothing. Dead. BBIG. BBIG is a lottery ticket, Abdul. That's what I tell peeps. If you like that, you buy some, you put it in the I don't care if I lose it all. Okay? But it's not a trade. Remember, we're concentrating on trading in this room when I'm with you guys on Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays. But you come into the room and we'll talk about long term. Yeah, UPST, what do we got? 316.50. I like it. Shorty. Done. You can see as we're going through our charts and stuff, guys, we're just looking for trading setups based on the technical analysis that we use. There's no guessing. There's no emotion. I'm putting orders in when my charts tell me to put orders in. That is it. No, I don't think so either in DKNG, Matt. I don't see it. I don't see anything compelling in this stock. Look at just the overall chart. Look at the daily chart. Look at this thing. I mean, this has been in a severe downtrend for months. Look at the weekly chart. Again, you better stay above like 49 in this thing weekly. Otherwise, it could have some big problems. Yeah, we're not going to get UPST. I don't think we're going to get Myrna either. KK, I'm admitting you need a new strat that will help you than trying to say. Yeah, well, that's a definition of insanity. Trying the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. Let's give Myrna one more minute here. Because we're kind of just flopping around now. One more minute. AGRX. Yes, we liked BABA last week. We said it could go to 170 last week, right? When it was in the 150s. So you made 25 grand trading with us. And then you gave it all back. So here's what I'm saying. Why wouldn't you have stayed with us, KK? So you didn't want to pay to be in the room? Whatever. I don't want to talk about it anymore. Cancel Myrna. We're not getting it. GameStop. New fib is 182.11 in GameStop. All right. Oh, my God. What do you got at 190 for a short in GameStop other than a fall from moving average trade, which we're basically at right now? You can, Trent. You can set a stop loss and a target sell at the same time. It's called a bracket order. Absolutely can. I'm finding myself getting stopped on large, more expensive orders today. Robert, don't do any trades unless I'm doing them. How about that? Because I did not like that Myrna trade. Okay? Don't do any trades. 190 was certainly starting to sell. A little GameStop. We'll put 25 shares out there, and then we'll look 5 from moving average. That'll be $10 above the moving average. Well, we shouldn't have got stopped out on any trades that we did. We only did one trade. We made a little, and we broke even. I've only done one trade. All right, what do you want UPST, guys? 311. 311 UPST. Okay, let's do it small. Trend trade. I like it. 311. Down from 315. Good. Also, in these Myrnas and UPSTs and all these stocks, cut your size significantly. Don't be trading big size in these things. Boyle is kind of sideways. It's a better trend trade than anything. It's a better base trade now. I would wait. Bros, yes. Again, we mentioned buying Bros earlier today. Right? This has just been a strong buy all day, but it's never pulled back to the 9 or the 15 EMA. It never gave us a chance. Keep popping those fibs in GameStop, guys. We need a pullback to get involved in that. POWW. Again, to me, lottery ticket. If you like it, you buy it, you put it away. Where do you like CCXI? This thing's dead now. I mean, it hit the 65 at 39 and gave you a trade. I think if this breaks 39 again, it could see 36, Luke. All right. Canceling UPST. Oh, okay. I got you, Robert. Yes. Yes. That could be. That's just buying power. Yeah, look, I'm not saying AMC is dead here. I'm just saying it's not something that I'm into. It just bounced up 50 cents. I mean, it should be up a lot more with GameStop doing what it's doing. I gave my thesis on AMC last week. The stocks can do whatever they want to do. Myrna, 304.22. Coming down from 306.80. I like it. Let's do Myrna, 304.22. Thank you, Joseph. Keep your eyes on it. We want speed. 304.22. Good. I like it. All right. Let's make GameStop a marker at 190. Take a look at me now. It's just an empty place. Small GameStop at 190. We start. See what happens after that. Cancel UPST. Myrna. AMC. All right. Well, if you like AMC now, get your orders out at like 37.30. That's the trend. That is the trend now. 37.30 is the trend in AMC. ASAN. 107.20. And again, I don't see anything on a daily chart in that one. Kind of just hanging. What are the fibs, JJ? Well, let's look at the 1 minute. Sometimes we look at a 1 minute chart when a stock is really strong, like a GameStop. We got 186.20 and 185. So 184.80 and 185. All right, good. Sold Myrna from where, Cheryl? What'd you do? Didn't get to our level. What'd you do? What'd you do? What'd you do? Didn't get to the 200. How does who make money, Daniel? I make money. How do we make money? We make money by trading stocks. We had one small trade today. That's it. What do you say? 184.80 GameStop? You want to buy a little bit of that small? That's the 1 minute. All right. I think it hit it. So we got a little 184.80. Keep it small. Sell some at 185.30. Ooh, sold half. There you go. Sold half GameStop from 184.80. Let's get $1, guys. 185.80. Take the money and run. Out. Out of GameStop. Boom chakalaka laka. Great call. Great call, JJ. Great call. So GameStop, we just bought at 184.80. And we sold for $1. Boom. That was a Fibonacci, which we do in the room also. Gorgeous, gorgeous trade. All right, cancel Myrna. Everybody in the room should have got that trade. I don't like Myrna now, guys. We got the 304.40, but this thing's starting to look weak to me now. We need something lower. Yes, we made that money in 10 seconds in GameStop. 10 seconds. Literally. So where do you average 80 cents in 10 seconds on a trade? Now, if you did 1,000 shares, you just made $800. Myrna 301.53. I like it. I don't think that's going to get there. VIXI. VIXI's going lower, guys. The market's going higher. I'm doing nothing in VIXI now. 0.0. Leave it alone. We don't have a position. I put a little feeler order out last week, and I told everybody that. Market wants to go higher. Higher, higher, higher. So now we've had 2 trades this morning and made money on 2 trades. Well, one break even, one made money. Yeah, ACY is a wacky stock, man. Willers, it's the same thing as putting one share out there. Sometimes I get a good laugh out of the chat. What are we laughing at, guys? What are we laughing at, James? Yeah, I mean, SoFi could be a little bit of a breakout if we get above the recent high, which is 18 and change. We need to get above that. Apple's just a better buy on a pullback, but Apple's not a trader to me anymore, Patrice. I don't think we've traded Apple in 6 months, honestly. If you had tried to get in on a one, yeah, that wasn't good, the 1 minute and a 9 minute. Hood just got a nice pop here, right? 42.07. Again, Hood setting up for a better buy. I would not short it. Nvidia's in a decent trend trade, Patrice, on a pullback. Tesla's nothing right now, going sideways. I don't see it. Meme stock today, what do you got? Talk to me, Goose. WKHS. That was a meme stock for a while. Now it's a piece of you-know-what. I know, bros never gave us the entry. It just didn't pull back early. Where are we daily in bros now? Yeah, this could be day one of a nice move in bros. Right? So the trend in bros now is we got 46.60 and 46.15. So let's put bros out at 46.15. Dave, can I get back in the room, please? Yeah, go to greenroom-live.com and sign up for 1 month, and you can get back in the room. $46.15, bros. Full trade. Yeah, I don't know, Rich. You're right. We missed the Labu on the opening. Well, and there's no sense in talking about something that we missed, right? And it's been a nice trend trade all day. Yes. Yes, it has. Crypto mine is strong. Mara. Yes. Right. Yes. Very strong. No. Really count this as day one in Mara. So this thing's got more room to the upside. Methinks. UPST. All right. Small Pino. Yes, that one looks good. The only one that doesn't look good is Myrna, which is kind of just hanging out now. I'm not doing anything anyway. GameStop. Yeah, 182.72. We tried small, right? That's the 9. 182.80. GameStop. 9 EMA, down $6. And again, don't get carried away because the 15 is $1.50 below that. So we do small, try to have a 50-cent stop, and then get back in. All right, Richard. Nice job. 182.80. GameStop we buy. That's on 9 EMA. Now, if it holds that level, we can jump up a little bit, right? We got 186.80, 182.80, and 182.30 is the VWAP. So let's see what happens. David, what do you think of Interactive Brokers Lite? I don't know. We have Pro. Interactive Brokers Pro, Tom. So I'm not sure what Lite is. Tesla, you're selling a 680 put. Love it. What kind of premium we getting, Sharon? Yeah, we got to try to only have a 50-cent stop on GameStop because the 15 is a buck and change below that at 181. So we got to try and keep it tight. We'll give it another minute. My budget is $500. What you suggest? Budget for what, Dan? Yeah, that's why we got to keep it close in that one. What's your $500 budget? Token. Token sitting right in the middle. I don't see anything. First Solar. Sorry, I missed it. Yes, First Solar is a beautiful trend trade. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, as far as advertising? I mean, as far as money to spend on learning how to do this? Yeah, buy the course. The course is only $447, and you get my mentorship every Thursday night forever. So if that's all you have to spend, buy the course. It's over 6 hours. Oh, to trade? You can't trade. I'm just being honest with you, Daniel. You cannot trade with only $500. Now, you can't do what we do anyway. You can do some options and stuff, but that's about it. Boeing's a decent trend trade if we get a pullback, yes. We're not going to get GameStop. Cancel. Yeah, I mean, if people have purchased my course, learn how to trade. Especially they learn the money management part of it. Takes a little longer than being in the room, but you can definitely do it. No, Solar, I don't. But I'll have someone take over for me. I don't. But the $447 for the course is a tremendous bargain anyway. So I will mentor you for as long as I'm around. I don't plan on going anywhere anytime soon. Everything's kind of just flat sideways now. Well, of course, comes with a money-back guarantee, guys, too. You don't like it? We give you your money back within 30 days. All right, we can watch GameStop down there, yes. But I don't think you're going to get there. Market going to make new highs by the end of the year? Why not? Why not? We have another Fed meeting. I guess earnings will be the key to the next move, right? I guess. We are slowing down to a dull roar this morning. I can tell you that right now. It's okay. It was a good day. A couple of trades, couple of winners. 3 trades, 2 winners, 1 break even. And 1 real fast one, which we love. Bots. That's the way. I like it. That looks good. This looks good on a daily chart, Carter. You know, look how when it bounced off. Look at this chart. I'll show you something, guys. You want to talk about swing trading, right? The stock went from 18 and just about hit our 65 EMA at $7 and has doubled since then. I don't know if I'm running in here now to buy it, but it's a nice looking chart on the daily. Second day above a breakout. Look at a weekly. This is what I'm talking about. All right. The weekly, it went from 18 to 7 and hit our 15 EMA on a weekly chart, Carter. So there's a spot you could have been in this stock. $7. You would have doubled your money already. That's a swing trade. That's a beautiful thing. A firm double top. Let's look. Where are we? 141.90. I think it just did it, didn't it? It just did it and gave you a 50-cent trade, right? Yeah. It went to 142.10. So if you did 141.90, you could have got 40, 50 cents on it, but it looks like it wants to go higher now anyway. I wouldn't be rubbing it. Yeah, volume's low and everything now. So that did a double top and gave you a little trade. That looks like it wants to go higher too. Cheryl, have you signed up to be with us, or you're just visiting this week? You just visiting this week, or were you here with us last week? All right, for everybody, guys. Oh, excellent, Cheryl. For everybody, including my Benzinga peeps, I'll explain the moving averages that we use. And we use these because they work for us. We have a 9, exponential moving average, a 15, a 65, and a 200. 9, 15, 65, 200. In addition, we have a VWAP and pivot points and relative strength. That's it. This is all the technical analysis that we use. And this is what tells us when and where to get into our trades. 9, 15, 65, 200 VWAP pivot points. Relative strength set on 80, 20. Because we want things to be a little more stretched out. I wanted to show you guys the SI trade that we did on the daily chart. A bunch of people in the room got this one. And it was this day. This day, after the stock went from 118 to 167.50. Here, relative strength got to about 85. I started my short at 166 and took $3 out the same day. Some other people in the room started at 161, sold 164, had a decent average, and the next day the stock went down 14 points. So that was a swing trade that we did. Just got way stretched out on the upside. Made a high of 167 that day and made a low of 148. 19 points. It went down the next day. That's our reversal swing trade. Boom. Now it's heading right back up, and it's not stretched out. And I'll look to do this again in this stock because I don't think it should be trading at $174. I can tell you that right now. And if we look today, right, this went to 175 today. Let me show you a pivot point on the daily. Look at that. Right to the pivot point on the daily chart and went down $8 today. Wow. Whack. Whack-a-doodle-ski. Technical analysis works, guys and girls. And what it does is just puts the odds in our favor of our trades working. Again, it's like going to a casino. And when you go to a casino, you're going to lose because the odds are against you. But there are things you can do to put your odds in your favor. And that's what we do here. And when we get into a trade, the odds are in our favor that that trade is going to work. Doesn't mean they always do, but by using your technical analysis and the proper money management skills, odds are in your favor. No, I have 28. Oh, VWAP. Yes, I'll show you. I'll show you the setup for the VWAP. And keep in mind, guys, everybody in my room, that's the setup for your VWAP, Born. Everybody in my room uses Thinkorswim for charting because so we're all looking at the same thing. But doesn't necessarily mean you have to do it. Verizon, take a look long term. Yeah, Verizon's a solid dividend stock. It doesn't trade. You know, here's the thing about having a good dividend stock, right? It's nice to get the dividend, but if you're losing money on the trade, it doesn't really help you much. And again, this is an ugly looking chart, daily and weekly. Not that it moves all that much anyway. Got earnings coming out soon. A firm new high a day. Wonderful. Yep, it's a trend trade. Let's buy it on a pullback. Tesla 680 put is only $1.50. It's still easy money, but I'd like to get up to 252. Yeah, I got no orders now. We got no orders. Ooh, bros. Nah. That would have been good if we got there. All right, bros. Let's go out of 45.75 in bros. Pivot point. And we'll give it a minute. 45.75. If you got bros at what was it? I don't know, 46.15 in bros. If you couldn't cancel, yeah, 46.19. All right, good. Sell some at 46.38, Terry. Take 20 cents on some. Everybody, if you got in at 46.19. Sell some at 46.38. Then maybe we bring the stop up to break even and see what the next move is. Julian, you already took 20 cents out. Okay, good. So you watch flow trades on Benzinga. I'm new here. You watch flow trades. I don't know what flow trains in. Yeah, Buffalo, it looks all right. Again, the chart doesn't look great. Thoughts on REI swing? I'll tell you right now, when I put up a $4 stock, it's a lottery ticket, hex. So when I say a lottery ticket, I'll tell you guys what I mean by that. It's okay to have a portion of your portfolio in some of these speculative stocks, but your expectation is that you lose it all. And if some of them work, it's great. CCXI, but we're never going to trade $4 stocks. CCXI is kind of dead here. There you go, guys and bros. Okay, took some profits. So this is a trade, guys, that we just did at 46.19. Sold some at 46.38. So I took 20 cents out of the trade. Now I'd bring my stop up to break even, right? So you cannot lose any money on that trade. Let's see what the next move is. That's what we do on every trade that we do. Once we have a profit of between 25 and 50 cents in our trades, I'm going to bring my stop up to break even so I cannot lose money on that trade, no matter what. I kind of would have liked the coin if we got right there, Stu, at 259 and change, yes. But we didn't quite get that. PDD. Yeah, PDD certainly broke trend, heading lower. First spot we'd consider is 95.90, which might be all right in PDD. We got 4 red bars in a row. I mean, I kind of would have liked that if we went fast in PDD. We're kind of just hanging around here now, not doing much of anything, but 95.90 is a spot. Coin. If it goes fast, yes. LAUR. Lore. Laureate Education. Okay. This thing doesn't trade enough volume for me to look at. Market is trending down now. Not really. Spiders are kind of just hanging here, Tom. Brady. Mr. Brady. The GOAT. And pick these up a little bit. Not much. So we got to be careful buying some of this stock now if we think the market might come in a little bit, but it's really not. We're just sitting here now with no volume in anything. All right, couple of quick things, guys and girls, because I know we got to get out of here in 10 minutes. So I think we had 4 trades today, made money on 3, broke even on 1. That's a good morning in my mind. Let me show you guys quickly, for those of you who can't sit and trade all day. This is our course at Wall Street Global Trading Academy. Okay? Wall Street Global Trading Academy. This course is spectacular, guys. This is the best thing I've ever done. I'm so proud of this. This course is over 6 hours of videos and lessons. Let me just show you a little bit of what's in here. Thank you, Happy. So this starts with absolute stock market basics, language of the stock market, money management. Every single one of these is its own video. So anytime you go here, chart setup, own video. Moving averages, own video. Moving averages in depth, own video. Our 5 trading techniques. Swing trading. Options. Bitcoin. This encompasses everything. If you're a beginning trader that's never traded before, you're going to learn how to trade. If you've been trading for a while and you're struggling, this is going to help you. Best part about this, guys, every Thursday night, you click this Zoom meeting at 5 o'clock, and we're together. Every Thursday night. If you miss a Thursday night, Every session is archived, and it tells you what we talked about. Last week on Thursday, we talked about swing trade reviews, bracket orders, market recap, spread money management review, money management review. So you click on one of these, and there it is, an hour and 15 minutes, swing trading review, bracket orders. So even if you miss a Thursday night, it's right here. It's helped me so much. Love it. And the mentorship. Thank you, Born. Yeah. So guys, you're talking about, I think we discounted it 10% for everyone from Benzinga also. Pretty sure. It's a one-time payment. You never have to pay again. And you get the mentorship. I think we discounted it. Enroll now. Yes, 10% off, $447. One-time payment. You're done forever. You get me every Thursday night. That's Wall Street Global Trading Academy. Okay. Two other things we need to talk about. So we swing CCXI. The only reason I wouldn't swing CCXI is because it's a drug stock. Right? I don't like swinging biotechs because you can walk in and this will be $100 the next day. So that's an emphatic no. Yeah. All right, so that's the Wall Street Global Trading Academy, guys. Anyone who buys it, I'll see you Thursday night. I'll see you every Thursday night. Second thing we want to talk about is I'm going to post my email for you guys starting today. Anyone here wants to come in my room and hang out for the next 5 days for free, it is available to you. I will answer any questions you have. We can talk about if you want to stay in the room, short term, long term. That is dgreen927@yahoo.com. dgreen927@yahoo.com. Thank you. Cheryl, is the room the best for me? Are you an active trader? Are you actively trading every day? So here's what I'll say. If you're actively trading every day, at least do 1 month in the room. Right? At least. When you sign up for 1 month in the room, Cheryl, you're going to get my live boot camp where I teach the entire course live. So yeah, if you're actively trading, the room is the place you want to be. Plus, you'll get a free boot camp included with the monthly fit. So 100%. Yes. What parameters you consider trading options so that I can grow my 500? Dan, here's what you have to do with $500. Take a bump, and it doesn't cost anything. Go online and do a bunch of free options classes and stuff. Right? Because that's the only way. And you can invest little amounts of money and eventually build it up. Great call in the coin short, guys. Oh, my God. Look at this, guys. Posted in the room. 259.70. Look at this. That was our pivot point. Went down $1.50. And again, that took about a minute and a half. Technical analysis. Half the people in the room just nailed that trade and got a quick dollar on it. Boom. Chaka-laka-laka. So, Dan, I would go online and do a bunch of research on options. Someone in my room is taking Tasty Trade Options Crash Course on YouTube. Tasty Trades Options. Yeah, so that's another trade, guys. That's 4 out of 5. And look at our bros, guys. Okay? Look at the bros trade now. In at 46.20. The stock just gave you $1 profit. $1 profit off the 15 EMA. Oh, there we go, guys. Yes. What are we talking about? Yeah. You guys are on Benzinga. There are options experts on Benzinga that trade options. Don't go anywhere else. Benzinga has it all. Okay? Benzinga has it all. You don't need to go anywhere else. Go to Benzinga. Benzinga, we posted Benzinga, Born to Freight, or Mohammed. 2-week free trial to Benzinga. I'm going to say half the people in my room have Benzinga Pro and use it. Okay? Half the people in my room have Benzinga Pro and use it. I could not trade without it. It's like a moving average. It's another tool that you just can't be without. You get a 2-week free trial. It's silly. not to take advantage of that. So everybody should be at least taking advantage of the 2-week free trial on Benzinga. So 3 things that we want to talk about once more before we get out of here. 1, there you go. Thank you, Happy. Wall Street Global Trading Academy for $447. You guys are with me. You'll get the course and every Thursday night. 2, I posted my email. You guys can start emailing me now. And when we take our morning break, I'll start letting everybody in. That's dgreen927@yahoo.com. Come hang out with us for a week. No charge. And guys, when you come and hang out with me, I'm never going to chase you after you leave our room. That's not how we operate. Okay? This is not how we operate. And lastly, Benzinga Pro and benzinga.com. Doesn't cost a penny. Go do your 2-week free trial. Anybody have any longer term questions they want to talk about? Because I think we only got about 3 minutes. I'm with you, Tom. It is an invaluable resource. Really is. It is. A firm we want to buy on a pullback, 100%. That is in a beautiful uptrend. No doubt about it. I don't have any swing trades right now. No. We're in a tiny bit of SDC, and we're still in a bunch of SoFi. That's the only thing I got going right now, as far as swing trading is concerned. I got nothing else. Dave is a great mentor. Well, thank you for that. What is the name of the indicator in your chart which is showing those pivots in dots? Those are called pivot points. These dots are called pivot points. It is an option in your Think or Swim charts. Yes. Baba. Yeah, I mean, Baba gave a tiny bounce off this level, but not much. Excellent, Cheryl. That'll give you a good head start. What about a firm, guys? What are we doing? 143. You're shorting it? I don't see it. Yeah. I got to tell you, the freaking coin was spectacular trade. Wow. Right? That was insane. Went down $1.50. dgreen927@yahoo.com. Yes, that's a good email. dgreen927@yahoo.com. I'm sure I'm getting some now. I'll let you know just to make sure that it's working and up and done. There we go. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I've already got 20 people that requested. So it's working. dgreen927@yahoo.com. Bros Fibs? What are you talking about, Bros Fibs? Bros was a trend trade. I mean, just spectacular. I mean, maybe you had a fib there also, but it was just great. AMD. Dead flat, going sideways. I don't see anything in AMD. Nope. Myrna bounce. Yes. UPST. Yes. Guys and girls, be careful now. There's not a lot of volume in anything. Okay? It's been a good morning. Relax. Nothing else to do right now. A firm we want to buy on a pullback. Right? 140, 160. Let's put that out in the firm. That is the 9. I think a firm wants to see 150, right? Kind of a number that when you have a round number like that, you usually want to go sit there and stick there. Get there eventually. Yeah, well, listen, part of what we do, a lot of what we do is about being patient and disciplined. That's it. That's what this game is all about. Most people don't have it. I can tell you that. All right? What up, James? No, James, we have added Fibonacci's within the last couple of months because I have some people in the room that are excellent about it. Excellent with that. Look, I'm always looking to evolve, James. You know, you got to change with the times. The Fibonacci's, someone introduced them to me in the room, And once we proved that they were working, we put them into play now. I am always willing to learn, James. I am always willing to add things. If you don't adapt in this business, you're in trouble. So we do use them now. You got to use them the right way. You got to measure them from the right spots. All that stuff. GameStop double top. Has it been 30 minutes? Yes. Did it go down more than $1? Yes. Guys, did GameStop hold the 9 EMA for a trade? Yes. Where were we, guys? How did nobody tell me about GameStop? The 9 EMA was $183.50. It just went up $3. It just went up $3. We didn't talk about it. But look at that. Insane. Double top. Let's do it if it doesn't on this pop up. 188.40. GameStop. I'm not happy about selling a double top when we missed a 9 EMA for a $3 trade. Right? We'll try 188.40. If it doesn't on this pop up, we'll cheat by 9 cents.
GameStop. I haven't heard about this stock in a while.
Yeah, right?
How's Baba looking to you right now, David?
We kind of liked Baba last week in the 150s to get to 170. Where are we now? 166. Yeah, we're right. It's had a nice rally up.
I opened a weekly call last Friday that expires this Friday. That was up about 100%, but since the stock's kind of traded lower since the open, the contract has gone down a bunch. But I'm debating, selling it for still a 30% profit or so, or holding on to it if it's still showing strength.
It expires when? This week?
This Friday, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's why you're losing the beta now. That's why it's look, what I always say, you know me, you hear me say this 1,000 times. You have 100% profit on something, you take some profits.
I know. You can't go broke taking profits, right?
Exactly.
All right, David. Well, we are running out of time, a little bit past 11. We'll be back tomorrow morning, correct?
Yes, we'll be back tomorrow morning, 100%.
Beautiful. All right, David. Well, enjoy the rest of your day. And everyone out there, please go check out Wall Street Global Trading Academy. The link is in the description and in the chat. Happy if you don't mind dropping that one more time. Other than that, enjoy the rest of your Monday, David.
Thank you, guys. See everybody bright and early tomorrow morning.
Over and out ski.
Over and out ski.